Seattle, known as the Emerald City, is a vibrant city in the Pacific Northwest. It is famous for its stunning natural beauty, surrounded by mountains, water, and evergreen forests. The city combines a lively urban experience with access to amazing outdoor adventures. Seattle is a hub for technology, music, and culture, giving visitors a unique mix of modern city life and rich history. From its iconic skyline to its charming neighborhoods, Seattle offers a variety of experiences for travelers. Whether you love art, food, nature, or music, the city has something for everyone to enjoy. Pike Place Market is one of the oldest and most famous public markets in the United States. It opened in 1907 and quickly became a hub for local farmers, artists, and small businesses. The market stretches across several levels, offering fresh seafood, colorful flowers, and unique handmade crafts. Street performers add energy and charm to every visit, creating a lively atmosphere. Visitors can watch the famous fishmongers toss fish with skill and flair. Pike Place is also home to cozy cafes and restaurants, making it perfect for tasting local flavors while exploring the heart of Seattle. The Space Needle is an iconic symbol of Seattle and a must-see landmark. It was built for the 1962 World's Fair and stands at 600 feet tall. Visitors can take an elevator ride to the observation deck for breathtaking views of the city, Puget Sound, and nearby mountains. On clear days, the scenery stretches for miles in every direction. The rotating glass floor and sky-high restaurant offer a unique experience for those who want to dine above the city. The Space Needle combines modern architecture with unforgettable panoramas, making it a highlight of any trip to Seattle. The Gum Wall is a quirky and colorful attraction, located in a small alley near Pike Place Market. It started as a fun tradition when visitors began sticking chewed gum to the brick walls. Over time, it grew into a unique, ever-changing mosaic of bright colors and textures. People from all over the world add their own pieces, creating a playful and unusual public art display. While it may seem a little unusual, the Gum Wall has become a popular spot for photos and curiosity seekers. Its unexpected charm makes it a memorable and light-hearted part of exploring Seattle. Seattle is home to the very first Starbucks, which opened in 1971 at Pike Place Market. This original store has become a popular destination for coffee lovers and tourists alike. Inside, visitors can explore the historic design, see original merchandise, and enjoy freshly brewed coffee. The store also offers unique blends and limited edition drinks that you will not find anywhere else. For many, visiting this Starbucks is more than just getting a cup of coffee. It is experiencing a piece of Seattle's culture and the beginning of a global coffee phenomenon. Snoqualmie Falls is a breathtaking natural attraction located about 40 miles east of Seattle. The waterfall plunges 480 feet, creating a powerful and misty spectacle that can be seen from observation decks and nearby trails. The surrounding park offers walking paths, picnic areas, and scenic viewpoints that make it easy to enjoy the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. The falls are also famous for their connection to local history and culture, including the nearby historic Salish Lodge. Visiting Snoqualmie Falls is a chance to experience nature's grandeur just a short drive from the city. Kerry Park is a small but famous viewpoint in Seattle that offers one of the best panoramas of the city. From this park, visitors can see the downtown skyline, the Space Needle, and even Mount Rainier on clear days. The park's gentle slopes and benches make it a perfect spot to relax, take photos, or enjoy a sunset. Its compact size makes it easy to explore, yet the views feel expansive and breathtaking. Locals and tourists alike visit Kerry Park for its picture-perfect perspective of Seattle, making it an iconic spot to capture the essence of the city in one frame. The Seattle waterfront stretches along Elliott Bay and offers a mix of scenic views, entertainment, and dining. Visitors can stroll along piers, watch boats and ferries pass by, or explore shops and attractions. The area features fresh seafood restaurants, street performers, and family-friendly activities, creating a lively and inviting atmosphere. You can also enjoy rides, visit aquariums, or simply relax while taking in views of the water and mountains beyond. The waterfront captures the essence of Seattle's connection to the sea and is a perfect place to experience the city's vibrant energy and natural beauty. The Seattle Great Wheel is a striking Ferris wheel located on the waterfront, offering stunning views of the city and Elliott Bay. It rises 180 feet above the water, giving riders a unique perspective of downtown Seattle, the Space Needle, and the surrounding mountains. The wheel features enclosed gondolas, making it comfortable to ride in any weather. Daytime rides provide clear views of the skyline, while nighttime rides showcase the city lights reflected on the water. The Seattle Great Wheel is a fun and scenic way to enjoy the waterfront from above and experience a memorable part of the city's charm. Smith Tower is a historic skyscraper in downtown Seattle, completed in 1916. For decades, it was the tallest building on the West Coast, standing at 485 feet. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck to enjoy sweeping views of the city, Puget Sound, and surrounding mountains. The building retains much of its original charm, including classic architecture and vintage details. Smith Tower also features a historic bar and lounge, adding to its unique atmosphere. Exploring this landmark gives a glimpse into Seattle's early urban development and its enduring architectural heritage. Lumen Field is a modern stadium in Seattle known for hosting professional football and soccer games. It is home to the city's football team and soccer team, attracting fans from across the region. The stadium seats over 68,000 people and is famous for its loud and energetic atmosphere during games. Visitors can also take guided tours to explore behind the scenes, including locker rooms and premium seating areas. Beyond sports, Lumen Field hosts concerts and special events, making it a central hub for entertainment. Its impressive design and lively events make it a must-see destination for fans and visitors alike.